Hey guys, Tom here from HID Projectors, and I wanted to take a quick video. I had a customer who purchased a DIY kit for a Volvo S60R or V70R, the P2 chassis. And he called me up with some questions, and it was clear that he didn't really have a strong sense of how to test everything. And we said, hey, put your headlights in your car, turn them on, and make your final adjustments. And he was real hesitant. Man, I can't do that during the day, and I'm just having a hard time. Is there any way you can create something for me that will allow me to test everything inside my garage? So what I did for him was we went out and grabbed an OEM harness off of the S60R. So this is what would normally come from the car side and plug into the back of the headlight. Now you guys know everything's going to be different for different vehicles, but in this case this is the Volvo one. And then I trimmed away what he didn't need was these two pins here and here, which control some other features inside the headlight not necessary for testing. So then went in and we created a ground for him, labeled it, put a little end on there so he could clamp that to, say, like a test lead here, right? So you have your test lead, you connect this to your ground, and now you have a good connection there. And then on this side of the harness, we labeled everything else. If you want us to test his low beam, well, you put 12 volts to the low beam wire, which is the gray one. If you want to test the high beam and the low beam at the same time, you can put these together, or just test the high beam on itself. You can hear the shutter click. If you want to test the daytime running light, that's the yellow wire in this case. So for this customer, with a custom request, we built him just a simple harness and grabbed the parts for a reasonable amount of money, threw it together, labeled everything, put some ends on it, and tied it up real nice so he's ready to go. This will go in the mail to him today, and now he'll be able to plug this into the back of his headlight, inside of his garage, on his test bench, set his height, set his width, make sure everything he did works. So he's got a daytime running light, he's got a low beam, he's got a high beam that we did for the SR6 projector swap. So if you guys want something like this, or you're hesitant on wiring, we are a call away. We can help in most cases, and for a nominal fee, we can create you guys something that might be plug and play, or maybe it's a test harness like this that you need. The point that I'm trying to make is custom headlight providers should go above and beyond to offer you a solution for your problem. Obviously, be prepared to pay for that solution, but this is what sets us apart from just a random company on Amazon or a random company on eBay that's just selling a product with no support. If you can't physically call the company, speak to the person building your lights, you might want to rethink who you are purchasing from. So, of course, we're a call away, 716-662-3479, or email. You don't have to buy anything from us. If you have a question, give us a call. We're here to help. Obviously, we want to sell you a product, but we are here to help. We like the community. We're trying to offer you guys some value here. Hope you see this as helpful. Again, lots of cool options. Give us a buzz. Let's build something great for you.